How is everybody? How is everybody? 1 day, 2 days. Let's not panic. 1 day, 2 days, 6 days. I'll tell you 7 days. Yeah. Buy it from me. Buy it from me. You want to buy a product from me? It'll be next week. It'll be next week. Sorry, next week came up. It'll be a few more days. You know what? Your patience. Your patience is good. Next month, but it's still good. Your patience. And you know what? If you wait a little bit longer, I'll put a little bit more work into. I'll put a little bit more time into my work. It's gonna. You know what? You know what? Oh, you don't care how long it takes? 6 months? That's okay. 8 months? That's okay. By the way, oh, there's a drone flying outside. Oh, look at that. Oh, one, there's two. Oh my God, what's that? Oh my God, it's so exciting. Wow, look at that, a robot in the street. Oh my God, what's he doing? Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Whole street of robots. Oh my God, yeah, cool. iRobot on the way. Hey, great. Make a few designs. The letter T, the letter R can also be looked at as the Playboy bunny. The letter I upside down with the brain on top, without the brain on top. The T letter, Neo Anderson. Neo, O-N-E, one. One red DNA sun. Red 27, sun 20, and 19. Pill 19, 27 red, blue. The word 6, 7, 28 cycle, 31 just like in God and birth, 40 the earth, 12 the sky, 33 Jesus, 34 DC earth, and cometh of man 40 equals to 46, and back to the one again. 33 time heaven, red sun, T and Y comes together. 3 equals to 56. We now have area space, condoned area space. What is the 1010 of space? It is 54 the sun. That's not the reverse. That's bringing it to a 10. 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 4 is 10. I bring everything to 147 because that's what the calculator tells me. And this is how I get my reverse numbers in which I could do the multiplication. As like in number 1. Like I said, I bring this to the 10-10 world. What is the reflection of 0? What does 0 mean? 0 is what goes all around 1 on a dice cube. And I just keep repeating the same thing, which is the 8. And the opposite of that is the 6. So I call that the gateway. And your gateway is 3.5. Electric company. Why 3.5? To get to the center of this cube, I need minus 2.5. I need plus 2.5. I need plus 1.5. I need minus, with the 5, where's the 5? I need minus 1.5. I need plus 0.5. I need minus 0.5. This is the story. When I get the minus 0.5, I've got 5 void, 5.5. When I've got the plus 0.5, I've got now 3.5. You follow what I'm saying? This is 3.5 to 3.5, 3.553. Why? Because 0.5 to get to the center. At the same time, I get 36, 3 and 6 void. 6 by 6 creates that 36. 6 plus 6 equals 12. The total is 48, equaling to the son of Pluto. All zeros equal 6. We now have 77 to Christ, connected to 66, because the opposite of 1 is 66. And the circle that goes around 1 is 88. And that is the house. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4, and the connection to communication. And because of the 3.5 center electric company, we now connect to Christ and the moon. And the sun, because that's the reverse of the numeric value. We all know that to create C, you need 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. So therefore, we have to have the cube this way and the cube this way, telling me 45 and telling me 90. 45 is the fox, 45 is the sun, and the 90 is rotation between the two heavens. Why is it like that? Well, when you have 90 degrees, it's 90 degrees. All zeros equal 6. It shows me 9 and 6. The artwork, if I can do it properly, for 9, okay, and 6 will create this little design over here. And you can now connect these two dots together. And at the same time, when you do that, you now connect your E world Z. Okay, I don't want to do it this way. This is not what I wanted to do. But it becomes 7 and F and 8. You have 7 and you have 8 over here in the center from your 6 and 9, showing me the gateway to the H heaven. I don't know if I designed that right. I hope I did. Years ago, I looked for a king. We have a king sitting on a chair and directing everything. And us angel king, US, us angel king, and the O world of PR. The pair, P-E-A-R-A, the Ra. Beta creation of your DNA in man's fear. Not fear the sun, but the fear of the electronic world. Quack, cluck. I was looking through things and I thought it was really funny. If you had to pick a president that that represented Goofy, who would you choose? If you had to pick a president that was replicating Mickey Mouse, who would you choose? If you had to choose a president represented Donald Duck, who would you choose? I'm not sure which other way to go. Collections of the dangers of Bitcoin, blockchain, G5, CERN, cryptocurrency. Numeric patterns tear apart and infiltrate the ether of the electrons by every thought you make. Roadrunner, Goofy is 777-66657. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6. This is telling me the gun to IR, right? Our birth and angel of who we are through the moon. This is all basic. Reverse to the cubed world would be 2, 2, 2, 6. 6, 6, 6, which actually be 1, 1, 1 would be 3. So you have 6, 3, 4, 2. 6, 3, 4, 2. Something about interception of communication. The pig in Lion King, the 2 lions in Egypt as the guarders of the temple, the wild boar Pumbaa, boar connecting. I'm gonna do one more little piece. 2 will turn into 1. 2 will turn into every single number, but first it starts off as 2, 4, 6, 8. Then when 2 gets to level 5, it becomes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 3 becomes 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, consistent. 4 becomes 8, becomes 3. So if you go 2 and 4, you can now see in the second position in 8, the fourth position is 8. You can see the third position is 6, the third position is 3, third position is 6. The eighth, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth position is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth position is 6. The fifth position is 2, the fifth position is 1. What I'm trying to show you is how your numbers rotate by adding them up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4, 8, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 16, the half-life right over here. 4 by 4 is your half-life. 16, 20, 26. The 5 goes 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5. We start off in Mars. We go through the half-life. We end up with the god, the queen. We end up with a numeric fashion where it brings us to the G level. Why the G level? Because 26 will recreate 20. They're telling us that in the house of the half-life, where we get the 90-degree angle, and we get the 90-degree angle and the 45-degree angle, telling us multiplication and addition. And why does that happen? And that's because of what happens with measurement. What happens with measurement when catching the corners, addition and multiplication. So there's the design, and through the design there's a story Got my gloves ready to go out 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I see drones in the street, but if it's not now, it might be tomorrow. Be safe, everybody. Stay home. Stay between friends that do not communicate. If you're going to go shopping, try and send out the same person all the time to go shopping. How do you keep distance in your own house? I don't want to talk about this. I don't want to be scared of you and you scared of me. I don't want to think my conspiracy and your conspiracy. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. You think one thing, I think one thing. When it's 50-50, we're done. We're done. When it's 50-50, when it's 50-50, it's a game. We're going to play basketball. We'll put 6 on one side, 6 on the other. I want to play hockey. I'll put 6 on one side, 6 on the other. I want to play. Imagine if you can just put 10 on one side and 1 on the other. Now that's really fair. Because if the other one is evil, then we're all on the same side. But when you put 12 football players on the field, and they're all good people, they're fighting against each other. You go in a boxing match 1-on-1, and you have one referee, and the one referee is telling you what you could do and you can't do, otherwise you're disqualified. So they lock you up. You don't listen, they lock you up. Lock you up, they lock you up, they lock you up. Not enough jails? Don't worry. They'll build them. I saw Walmart. I saw it on what's it called? And at Walmart, they let you go shopping. Pretty cool, eh? But I try to stay away from the big stores because too many people want to go to the small store, shop local, and it's going to be the summertime soon, and maybe we'll be picking vegetables with drones and robots because we won't be able to move around. If that happens, just know. Anyways, watch the movies and watch the movies of so what was that in the movies? Yeah, I believe some of the movies are pretty much they are. Yeah. Ciao. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus.